What's going on, guys? It's Kai here, and in this video we're going to talk about how to safely invest into sneakers, buy a lot of shoes and still make a lot of money back. I like to invest in sneakers just because I think of the fact of, if you know the trends, they are going to go up, and it's literally near to none risk. Okay, you buy shoes, you wait about 3 to 6 months, they go up. You buy 10 pairs, they all go up by £30, that's £300 you're making right there. Now I am going to start off the video by saying, if you want to make a lot of money investing, you need a lot of capital. And what I mean by capital is the amount of money you're willing to spend on shoes, and it doesn't affect your other things like, I don't know, you have to pay for food and stuff like that. It's money that you can afford to lose. Not lose, but invest, okay? So you won't have it for a while. So obviously, the way I think of it is with sneakers, it's supply and demand, okay? So a shoe gets released with not much supply, but it's got a high demand, okay? So you know what that means? Is people will be wanting these to wear. As soon as they wear them, it's one less new pair on the market. It's been used, no one cares that it's been used. They want new pairs when they buy their pairs, okay? So an always reliable shoe to invest in is most of the classic colorways of Jordan 1s. Now this is because they don't get made much and a lot of people want them. And then over time, these shoes become more rare because there's not as many new pairs, and makes the the price go up. So let's forget about talking what shoes to buy. Let's talk about how you know which shoe to invest into. So you want to look at trends. You want to look at other shoes that kind of look similar to that kind of shoe, and you kind of just want to judge it on yourself. You kind of get that, not that feeling, but you know if the shoe's going to go up in time once you've focused and done a lot of research on past releases and stuff like that. I'm not saying start off by spending 20 grand on one pair of the same shoe. I'm saying let's try buying one pair, see how it goes. If it goes well, maybe buy some more the next time you do an investment. So a good trend to always look at is Jordan 1s. These are the shoes you want to invest in, hype shoes. So Jordan 1 High is always good, and some of the Yeezys can be good. So the holds I've currently got are 12 pairs of the Yeezy Zions. I think I spent about £2.5 grand altogether on them, which sounds like a lot, but it's I can sell all these pairs now and already make about £500. So what you want to do on investment, I'm guessing you want to do new releases because it's probably the most easiest way, is obviously go for as many pairs as you can for resale. And after that, what you want to do is you want to wait till people got their pairs in hand, look at the market and wait till it hits its low point, because at this low point you want to buy, okay? Because even in 2 months you'll see it go back up to what it was before, and then more months coming up, it'll go up even more, okay? So let's look at Jordan 1, let's look at the Royal Toes, okay? I actually did a quick hold of them. You could buy them for about £200 at one point, 190 for even good sizes. I just held them for about a month, and then I sold them for 225 about a month or two later. So you want to get these for a price that you know you won't lose money, okay? So you look at the StockX price, say the asking price, take away about £20, that's your price you're aiming for. As to do meetups, as to do anything possible to get a little bit cheaper, okay? Because these little bit cheaper will just help increase your profits. Now, I'm not just saying buy every pair. I'm gonna be honest. You'll message 50 people, even if you only get one pair for that price, you're happy. You've got one pair. It's better than nothing, okay? And then you need to work out that, okay, well, should I up my asking price to about £5 to get more pairs? And you want to buy all these pairs, and the best thing to do once you've bought them is put them away. Put them away. Try and forget about them, because otherwise, you're going to keep looking there thinking, oh no, I've wasted £200 or something like that. You haven't, okay? You can sell that and get your money back at any time. It's a risk. All investments are a risk, but this is how you make a safe investment, so you're literally nearly guaranteed not to lose money. So look at the trends for this year. I'll give you some examples. The Dunks, okay? I have a pair of University Red St. John Dunks that I managed to get for retail. I am holding them. When I was holding them, they even dipped down to a price of £230 in the size I have, which is a size 5 at one point. £230 for a dunk that's really hyped. I knew this wasn't right, okay? I held my pair, and now they're all the way up to £370. Now that is a £150 increase. Imagine if I bought, I don't know, 10 pairs of these, okay? You're talking massive money for such a small kind of shoe that's like, it's hyped up. Not many pairs are made, but the hype for dunks is stupid this year. So if you see any dunks that go quite low and a nice colourway, invest, okay? Do all you can to get them. I had someone offering me over £300 for these. I could sell them on StockX for 360. It's stupid, but I'm holding them for longer because I know these will go up over time. So you've got a shoe, you've done your research, you want to do your first investment, okay? I wouldn't do loads in your first investment. I'm talking like maybe buy one pair, see how it goes. If you think it's for you, if you're quite a patient person, do it, okay? Buy one pair, see how it is, see if you make your money and you're happy. Say if you make £30, imagine if you bought 50 pairs of them, okay? You're talking loads and more money that you're going to make if you invest more money. So your first investment's gone well. Don't rush into your second investment. I see a lot of people, oh look, I've made £30, £50 on these. Right, the next shoe, oh, the Jordan 1 High is coming out. Let's just invest loads in this. Who knows? That Jordan 1 High could be loads of stock, no one wants it. It could be the ugliest colorway that no one wants. It doesn't go up. And then what do you do? Okay, take your time till you find an investment that's right. I'd rather you wait for a good investment and spend a lot of money than going for all bad investments and then making, well, sometimes even losing money. Okay, so be patient with your investments. My last tip for you guys would be get yourself in a cook group. A cook group basically essentially is a Discord group that you go in and they give you information. These people, they're in the cook groups, have been selling sneakers for years, okay? They'll give you all the advice you need. They'll also help you with helping getting for retail. They'll also help you if you want to start botting. That'll be another video that I'm going to do as not how to start botting, but if you should start botting. And yeah, ask questions, ask people I know, ask people you know if you can, help, if they can help you out, that, has been selling shoes for a bit longer than you, a bit more experience. And yeah, that is literally it when it comes to investments. And that actually concludes today's video. Now, a bit of a longer one than I usually do, but this is just a bit more in detailed guide of how to make money. It sounds easy, but you do need to do your research, okay? It is easy once you know what you're doing, but obviously I'm sure a lot of you have jobs, you've got a lot of time in hand, so getting these shoes botting like from retail is quite hard. So investments could be for you. If you're working all the time, you can just quickly buy 10 pairs of these, put them in the wardrobe, forget about them for, I don't know, 4 months, and then come around to selling them and making 50 quid per shoe. It is what it is when it comes to them things. So look at trends, and yeah, see you guys at the next video. Next video will be a starting with £100 and flipping shoes so we get to £1,000, and we'll see how long it takes for me to do that. So if you guys did enjoy, please subscribe. Check out my Instagram at KaiKicks.uk. For any questions, message me there, comment on today's video, or drop a like, drop a subscribe, whatever. All much appreciated, and see you guys in the next one.